Verney Road School.
I acknowledge and recognize the Yota
Bagarain. And all First Nations.
people as the traditional custodians
Of the land where we live.
Learn, teach and play.
We acknowledge their connection.
Country, water and sky.
We respect and thank them.
For sharing their rich history.
And culture with us.
We pay our respects
To the ancestors and the elders.
who
Who
have gone
gone
before
before
us.
Stand with us today.
And who will continue to lead us into the future.
Hello everyone and welcome to our Term 3 end of term assembly. It's been a very big term and it's had its challenges being back in remote and flexible learning, and I just wanted to thank everyone and all our students particularly for being such fantastic learners, and thanks to the parents out there who have really done their absolute best to help their students, their children engage with the learning. It's been great to see so many students on WebEx. And it's been great to see the parents help and support that as well. So thank you so very much. We're really hoping that next term we will be back on site. Whether that's at the start of term or not, we have to wait and see. But I can guarantee as soon as we're back on site, we're going to have one very big celebration. We're really looking forward to everyone being back at school and really being able to support you in term 4 ongoing. I really hope you have a great holiday. The weather's been fantastic. Let's hope that continues over the holiday period, and we'll see you all next term. Thanks.
We would like to congratulate our Early Years Outstanding Achiever Award winners.
The Outstanding Achievers for Early Years, Be Safe. Our first award goes to Darcy Hipwell for playing in a safe manner at school and home and uses the equipment in an appropriate way. Well done, Darcy. Our second award for being safe is Kayla Crofts for listening to staff directions to remain safe in the classroom and out in the playground. Congratulations, Kayla. Be a learner. Lucas Menendez for being a great learner both at school and at home. We are very proud of you, Lucas. And Lincoln Harris for being a learner. You are doing an amazing job during remote learning and always completing his work to the best of his ability. Being respectful, Kobe Carsolway for being such a great helper during remote learning, making new friends and being respectful to all the teachers supervising him on site. Well done, Kobe. And Bentley Garner for waiting patiently for his turn, requesting items and asking for help. Well done, Bentley. For being responsible, our first award goes to Jackson Stone. Jackson has taken a big step this term in taking responsibility of his actions and emotions. He has shown maturity in his decision making and encouraged others to follow positive actions. Well done, Jackson. And Kalijah for being responsible. He has been a great helper in the classroom and is always supporting others and making good choices. Well done, everyone.
Hi guys, in this video we'll be going over some of the most frequently used keyword signs at Verney Road School so that you can understand them a bit better and have a go at using them yourself. Let's get into it. Our first sign is more. So for that sign we're going to take our dominant hand, we're going to bend the fingers just a little bit, we're going to put it to our chest and move it forward. So more, more. You'll also see this sign performed with the flat hand shape for some of our younger students or students that might have some motor difficulties, so that's also perfectly acceptable. So in that case it would be more. Another sign which you'll have hopefully seen a whole lot at Verney Road is finish. So we're going to take our dominant hand again, get into that good hand shape with the thumb up, and we're going to move it from side to side. So finished, finished. But we're not finished yet. Our next two signs are yes and no. So we're going to get our dominant hand again, put it into a fist, and for yes, we're going to nod it up and down. So yes, yes. And similarly, our sign for no is with the fist going side to side, like shaking head. No, no. And make sure to use your facial expressions to reinforce whatever sign you're using there. So you'll notice that when I said yes, I was nodding my head and smiling. When I said no, I was kind of scrunching my face up a little bit and shaking as well. Another sign which we use quite a bit, and it's nice to have some of the social etiquette included in here, is please. So for this one, we're going to take our dominant hand with just a flat hand shape. We're going to bring it to our chin, and we're going to move it down and away into that good hand shape. So please, please. There's a couple of different ways to remember this. I personally remember that it's good to say please, to remember that good hand shape at the end. But I've also heard a couple of people remember that please is a handful of peas, so that they're thinking of grabbing a handful of peas. Whichever way that you like to remember it and works for you is great. Thank you is quite similar, except for instead of going into that good hand shape, we're going to keep it open. So thank you, thank you. Well done. Continuing with the theme of manners and social etiquette, we're going to learn sorry. So sorry is a similar handshake to that more, except instead of moving out from our chest, we're going to swipe it kind of across the lower part of our face. So sorry, sorry. Notice the facial expression, kind of trying to reinforce what message I was saying there. So yeah, see if you can look kind of apologetic if possible to reinforce that one. Another really important one to know is toilet. So T's on the side of the hand, but for toilet it's on the middle, so tap twice. Toilet, toilet. Well done. And our last one is excuse me. So we're going to take 2 pointer fingers, we're going to put one on top of the other, and then we're going to reverse it. Excuse me, excuse me. Well done. I hope you've had a go at all of those and they're starting to make sense. Shoot me some videos if you'd like, some feedback, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Now it's time to congratulate our Middle Years Outstanding Achiever Award winners.
And now it's time for the Middle Years Awards. Our first award for being respectful goes to Ashton Lay. Congratulations, Ashton, for demonstrating being respectful this term, both on-site and during our WebEx meetings. Ashton consistently uses his manners to speak to his peers and his teachers. He uses appropriate language and makes an effort to greet us all and to say goodbye every day. He respectfully listens to others on the WebEx meetings and contributes to classroom discussions. Well done, Ashton, what a great achievement. Our next award for being responsible goes to Cade Turvey. Well done, Cade, for achieving this goal by looking after all your belongings this term. Cade has also been responsible during remote learning. Well done, Cade, another great achievement. Our next award for being a learner goes to Nicolachi McGregor for approaching learning tasks with a positive attitude and working hard to challenge himself with his learning during the term. Keep it up, Nico, we're all so proud of you. And our next award for being safe goes to Will Sutherland. Well done, Will, for demonstrating how to be safe in the classroom and for assisting your peers to be safe with their words and actions. A big congratulations to all the students who received an award this term in middle years. We're all so proud of you and keep up the great work. Well done, guys.
Ryan Mackelman. This is awarded to Ryan for being safe during work experience at Urella. Ryan was able to follow all safety rules and have a go at all tasks. Congratulations, Ryan. Learner, Josh Symes and Bella Gordon. This award is being shared by 2 students. Both Josh and Bella have done an outstanding job of participating in the online learning every day while in lockdown. They have contributed to all our WebEx lessons and had a red-hot go at the seesaw activities. Well done to you both. Respectful, Taylor Jackson. This is awarded to Taylor for the respect that he shows to staff and peers when he is on WebEx during remote learning. Taylor waits for others to have their turn when speaking, raises his hand and to contribute to discussions, and has assisted his friends to get online. Great work, Tay. Responsible, Nathaniel Tatey. This is awarded to Nate for the responsibility he has shown during his work experience at Target. Nate was able to manage his time to arrive on time for work and be ready for pickup at the end of his shift. He was always well presented and carried out all tasks set to him by the Target staff. Well done, Nate.
This term we say farewell to Leslie, Harry and Breed, who are all finishing working at Verney Road. We'd like to say a massive thank you to Tess and to Ben, who have covered for Jess and Maren's class over this term. And we're really excited to welcome back Maren and Verney, who have had a term of leave and are joining us back in the team.
Bye, Penny. Bye, Harry.
Together we learn, together we play, together we can do it to find a better way. We'll learn together to be strong, to find a place where we belong. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends. Together we learn, together we play, together we can do it to find a better way. We'll learn together to be strong, to find a place where we belong. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends. Together at Verney Road, the journey never ends.